So this is what I'll be using for my chicken breasts. I'm just throwing them in the oven. With the tenderloins, I'm going to fry them because my fiance wants his fried. But yeah, I'm just gonna use these and measure with my heart. All right, so we have our mustard and all of our seasonings in here. I'm just going to massage it into the chicken. I know the mustard sounds weird, you guys, but trust me, in the oven, or you can use mayo too, but in the oven, it just makes the chicken very, like, juicy. I don't know what it is about the mustard. You don't taste it, by the way, because I'm not a fan of mustard. Like, when I get my hot dogs and stuff like that, I ain't getting no mustard, girl. No. No, sir. Okay? But yeah, I'm just going to massage it into the chicken. Look at that chicken, you guys. Oh, my goodness. Here's my chicken breast, you guys. I should have cut that, but it's fine. I'm gonna pop them in the oven at 425 for about 20 minutes-ish. This one will probably take longer, but it's fine. Now I'm going to use all these seasonings for the tenderloins that I'm frying. Pretty much the same that we use in the chicken breasts. And we're getting started right now. There's an egg. Here's what we got going, you guys. All right, I can't find my tripod. So here's the tortilla. We're gonna grab that chicken. Actually, we'll put some cheese on the bottom. Put some on top. And this is from the salad kit. And then we'll add the delish salad. My mouth is watering. Did he try it? Did you like it? Yeah. Now, how do I wrap this, babe? On how experiences. We're wrapping a burrito, but we're gonna try. She's double stuffed. I'm gonna have to double wrap her like Chipotle. Wait. Ooh, yeah. Okay, she's somewhat wrapped. These are the chicken Caesar wraps, you guys. Yum. She's double wrapped. Turn this one this way. Yum. Sheesh. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.